Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and just before we start today's video, I just want to make you all aware of the trading signal service that we provide here. If you'd like to receive trading signals from either myself or the rest of the team here at Daily Market Movements, then you can do so simply by visiting our website. I'm going to leave the website link below this video in the description, so if you are interested in joining our amazing team, then all you have to do is simply scroll down now, click on the link, which will then take you to the website link itself, and then that's where you'll see that we charge a very small fee of $249 for a year's membership, so it really is great value for money. However, in front of me is the S&P 500 future chart, and today we broke records. We hit an all-time high of around 3,389. The previous record high was 3,386, so we beat it by 3 points. But the big question is now, do we push on and go higher? I think eventually we do. However, one thing I would highlight on this chart is that the RSI tells us that in the short term we are considered to be overbought and overextended. Normally what happens at a situation like this is that we would typically see a pullback. I think that we do need to see a pullback. We've had so many bullish days in a row here. The last 3 weeks we've just been trending up towards the upside with hardly any bad days apart from one real big minor dip in the market. So therefore I do think that it's justified that we should pull back. A nice healthy pullback here wouldn't hurt, but it's just like a step to then go higher and then target 3,400 to 3,500. So I do welcome a pullback now. I have cashed in all of my trades on the S&P 500. I'm no longer a buyer. I'm waiting for that pullback where I can then re-inject some money into this market and put some more money to work at a lower price. A pullback offers value, right? So value right now would be very welcomed in this bullish market. One fundamental problem which is also affecting the S&P 500 is that a second stimulus deal still hasn't been agreed by Congress. I think it will come, but the question is when and how much, of course, how much money will be involved. But if there is a shortfall and we don't get a deal, or if it's a lot less than expected, then do expect the S&P 500 and the Dow Jones and the Nasdaq 100 even to fall sharply. The market has priced in a second stimulus deal, so if Congress do upset and do not deliver on this, then I do expect to see a pullback at least. I wouldn't really say a sell-off, but I would definitely say a pullback. As I mentioned before, it has been priced in. But I'm not a seller of this market. I'm just simply buying the dips. So the buying the dips strategy works. But I think we go to 3,500, which is an all-time high.